Welcome to Bahrain, often referred to as the City of Gold. This beautiful island nation is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and modern architecture that seamlessly blend tradition and innovation. Bahrain faces the unique challenge of balancing its deep-rooted traditions with rapid modernization. As the country develops, it strives to preserve its historical and cultural heritage while embracing futuristic advancements. This delicate balance is a testament to Bahrain's resilience and vision for a harmonious future. Explore the heart of Bahrain by diving into its traditional markets, known as souks. Manama Souk, located in the capital city, Manama, this bustling marketplace is a sensory overload of colors, scents, and sounds. Here, you can find exquisite gold jewelry, traditional textiles, and aromatic spices. The souk offers a glimpse into Bahrain's rich trading history and its reputation as a hub for luxury goods. Gold Souk, a visit to the Gold Souk reveals why Bahrain is known as the City of Gold. Rows of shops display intricate gold jewelry, from modern designs to traditional Bahraini pieces. The craftsmanship and quality of the gold here are renowned worldwide. Spice Souk, immerse yourself in the aromatic world of the spice souk. Vendors sell a variety of spices that reflect Bahrain's historical connections to the spice trade routes. The vibrant colors and exotic scents create an unforgettable experience. As the day winds down, experience the breathtaking moment when the sun sets over the Manama skyline. The entire city is bathed in a golden glow, reflecting off the glass and steel of modern skyscrapers and casting a warm hue over historical buildings. This magical moment captures the essence of Bahrain, a place where the golden past meets a bright and promising future. To summarize, Bahrain's allure lies in its unique ability to merge a golden past with a vibrant future. Visitors are captivated by the charm of its traditional markets, the luxury of its gold offerings, and the beauty of its sunsets over a modern skyline. Bahrain truly is a city where history and innovation coexist in harmony. If you enjoyed this journey through Bahrain, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts. Share your own experiences and favorite moments from Bahrain in the comments below. Explore more travel videos on our channel to discover other captivating destinations around the world.